Okay, I've been wanting for a long time to make some video using liquid green stuff. What is liquid green stuff? It is not quite a putty, it's more of a bit of a paste, but when you wet your brush, it can be very watery. And it can be used for very fine fills. And I have one right here. Now, as I was putting in the headlights, I kept on burning them out. I couldn't figure out why, other than that I was turning them on the lathe too close. So when I put one that I didn't turn so close, I put it in here, and look at the split right there. So this is a perfect time to use some liquid green stuff. So I'm just gonna wet my brush here, and in the pot, it's kind of a paste like that. And if I put this somewhere, yeah, there's no one. Okay, I'm gonna put my brush in there. All right, now I got some on my brush, and this is gonna take a few times. I'm gonna paint over this spot. It's gonna fill, and in a minute or two, it's gonna set up. And when I get it to look like it's smooth across, then I'm going to camouflage that crack. And I'm not gonna repaint it. No. We're gonna use some liquid talent known as red tone. Yeah, we're gonna just red tone this. That way it'll totally blend in. Yep. That's what this green stuff is for. It'll continuously take care of these little cracks here, and then when I get it right, it's right, and then we're done. It's very good stuff for that. If you got something really big, then you want to be using a putty or something thicker that you can. This is not meant to really bridge gaps. It's meant to take this crack and just make it disappear.